I found a letter under the floor, ink faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. A photograph curled at the edge, dusty corners a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there, fragile moments floating in the air. Up there, not gone, not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove. It steals the pain, but leaves the love. I hear the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night, a million stars, but none are light. I breathe it in, I let it spin. Whispers quiet to the single tear, it bends the light. The moon is patient in its flight. The earth is still, the moment stays. I touch the edge of what is real, a fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind, it hums a broken tune. It dances soft beneath the moon, a lullaby, a fleeting The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past, it hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. whispers in the moonlight, secrets softly sung, melodies that linger, hearts forever young, lost in quiet echoes. Dreams are all we chase. Late night whispers dancing in the dark, softly drifting, we ignite that spark. Underneath the starlight, we find our place. Shadows slowly fading as the night unfolds, painting constellations before they all get old. In this gentle silence, our love finds its space. Chasing endless echoes, soft as velvet night. Underneath the moon glow, everything feels right. In these late night whispers, all our fears erase. Soft wind carries a feather's flight where the sky meets the quiet light. A song of bird drifts through the air. No rush, no way, just floating there. Whisper wings on a breeze tonight, soft and still, like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. gentle sound, roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it blurs the night. No ticking clocks, no time to chase, just endless sky and open space. The pad hums low, velvet tone. You're never lost, you're never alone. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight, soft and still like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered winds on the breeze tonight. Soft wind carries a feather's flight where the sky meets the quiet light. A song of birds drifts through the air. No rush, no wait, just floating light. Whisperings on the breeze tonight. Soft and still like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings a gentle sound, roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it melts away. No ticking clocks, no time to chase, just endless sky and open space. The pad hums low, a velvet tone. You're never lost, you're never alone. Whisper the wings on the breeze tonight. Soft and still like a fade light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze I walked a road that had no name. Each step was quiet, but not the same. The sky above it, whisper blue, a quiet promise, a morning new. And the wind, it carried my fears away. A whisper soft, it said, you'll be okay. New horizons, they're calling me wide and open. As far as I see, hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. The trees were swaying in perfect time. The leaves were dancing, their song was mine. The ground beneath, it hummed so low, a gentle rhythm, a steady glow. New calling me wide and open. As far as I see, hope is rising like the tide horizons. My heart's my guide. Rising slow through quiet air, the world gets small. I don't care. All the way stays below, softer now, letting go. Endless sky, I'm drifting through, nothing to lose. Endless sky, endless blue. Morning come, pale and white, worry falls off my side. Higher, lighter, fading sound, I leave it there on the ground. And the sky, I'm drifting through, nothing to lose. And the sky, and the sky. Just the light, just the air. I was here, now I'm there. Had no name. Each step was quiet, but not the same. The sky above it whispered blue, a quiet promise, a morning new. And the wind, it carried my fears away, A whisper soft, it said, you'll be okay. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. The trees were swaying in perfect time. Their leaves were dancing, their song was mine. The ground beneath it hummed so low, a gentle rhythm, a steady glow. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. Every shadow fades at dawn. Every ending brings a song. The sun will rise, it always does. A quiet truth, a boundless trust. Clouds so heavy, they barely float. A whisper falls, a silent note, breathing in the quiet flow. Drift and fall, drift and rise. Close your weary, waiting eyes. lingers so